to hurt you. Sorry, I was doing the pothole. Sorry, please. Please. Come, let me take you to hospital, please. I'm sorry. Sorry, okay?
You don't wound me.
What?
I see you for dream. The same clothes we wear, we carry. The same everything we carry, baby. I see you for dream.
Are you mad?
I beg.
I said, wait. You bastard. If you try this next time, I will deal with you. Are you crazy? Fool.
Baby, me. Commissioner, that's I don't know, God.
Look at the side.
I passed my neighbor.
What did happen now?
I just see what to pass him today.
Huh? Like what to pass him?
Commissioner daughter, now my babe.
Come on for the who give you commissioner daughter? Which kind of babe that one? Who give you commissioner daughter? Who give Monkey Banana? When the tax the commissioner daughter na babe? Huh?
See this time around now, me and you know they the same level. In a Kotakwa sign.
Kota sign.
Level don't change. Now, I don't get time to talk to you. I need to go iron my clothes.
Iron clothes, yeah? John, what shall we wear? I'm not going to wear today, I'm here tomorrow.
You don't see our level don't change.
Come on, who give monkey?
Go down.
Huh? Now what you talk? Olúwa bá gbọ́ gbogbo o, Jésù gbà mí. Ẹ́wù! Òtọ́ ló bá sọ ẹ̀.
Who be that? You want for my gate?
What happened?
I'm looking for my babe.
Come be like, yeah, be like where you go see your babe.
Commissioner daughter I'm looking for. This is my babe, man.
What you talk?
I'm looking for my babe. I'm chief for Inkota sign. I'm looking for my babe. Commissioner daughter.
Okay, you're looking for your babe.
Yeah.
Okay, thank God say no be babe. I for don't change that for you. Who you be? What be your name?
I'm chief for Inkota sign. I hope you understand. I'm a chief for Inkota sign. I'm looking for my babe.
Ma?
Who is there?
Now one, what I go even call him? Now one boy, one man. Say the fire, say be babe.
They call it nice one. Try to the Kotala sign. Be nice and be wise. Talk to me.
You again?
I've been looking for you, baby. I've been searching for you.
Are you okay? Are you normal? What is your love?
Baby, please. I love you so much. Since when I met you, baby, I've been living a life without you, baby. It's an empty bottle.
You are a fool.
Baby, I nourish you past my mama. Even this cap, baby. I nourish you.
Mad guy.
Baby, I love you. Last time you hugged me, I'm very glad to catch you, baby.
Wait. You bastard. If I see you next time, I will deal with you. Nice one! Ma!
You slapped me, baby.
Come on, take this thing out of me and deal with him.
Baby, I love you. You like
I will give it to you again now. Take him!
Baby, please, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, baby. Please. Please, baby.
You got to tell. Seriously. That's what you don't know. Ah! What happened now? Ah! This is how your face come like this. I just want to see Commissioner daughter. Ah, you know what talk? Mama, you will lie here. Ah! They don't scatter your face. Ah! You don't talk blow from your mouth to your face. Your face? You look at that. You are Commissioner, not Commissioner, you. Eh?